Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. Hope you are very, very well. For anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. Now, I have just got home from singing. Yeah, been singing all morning. Beautiful singing session, intergenerational. So we had children from local childminders and we had the old people at their home and we all sang together and it was just joyful. And then I had even more joy when I arrived home because there on my doorstep was a Scentsy delivery and it is my Scentsy Club. Now, most of you know when I have my Scentsy Club, that means I get my Whiff box. Whoop whoop. So flipping excited because I have had a sneak peek. Well, not opened this one, but I have had some insider information on what is in here. So I'm very, very, very excited to share with you what we have got in this month's September's Whiff box. Are you ready? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? In the box today. Now, of course, that is if I can actually open the box. They're put together very, very, very well. Whew. There we go. We've done it. We've done it. We've done it. There we go. Let me show you because you know how much I love that bit. It says Scent with Love. I just love that. I just love that. So whether you are watching on the Facebook page where I'm live at the moment, I shall be sharing this to our group. And of course, I will also be sharing this to YouTube. So do give me a hello, like the video, follow me and let me know what you think. So first of all, we have a little bit of info and oh, can you see what I can see? Oh my goodness. Eek. So it says, Whiff box, we love beautiful scented spaces. Oh. Discover fragrances with hints of cashmere, woods and warm spices in your September Whiff box and pair them with a brand new warmer. This new mod, Scentsy Warmer, is all about function and simplicity. Browse our Autumn-Winter 2022 catalogue and autumn collection while you bask in beautiful scented spaces. So that has given us a little hint as to what is to come. And they've sent us a new catalogue. How amazing is that? So if you haven't yet had one of the new catalogues, if you haven't had one, you can, of course, message me or get yourself a Whiff box and you'll get one in there. How awesome is that? So we've got the new catalogue for you to have a little peruse of. There is a little bit of information in here as well. And then we get down to the main box. Now I'm going to have to go straight in and open this. So, oh, if I can get it out. Look at that. So this is the Mod Scentsy Warmer in taupe. Okay, so these are brand new for this season. They are element warmers, so they don't light up. They're element warmers, and they are just perfect for small spaces. Hi, Ruth. For small spaces, they are perfect for if you've got somewhere where you don't want it to be too intrusive, but you want your fragrance. They are absolutely gorgeous. You've got your instruction details there. It does, of course, have to be plugged in. So we've got our plug. And then it's just so super cute. So they're only little. They're very lightweight. And that's what it looks like. So this is, as I say, this is in taupe. And then you pop your wax literally in the dish just there. And then it melts. Fragrance is your home. Now you can also get this in black. So they're doing the black mod and the taupe mod. But how super cute is that? If you've got like a bedroom and you don't want any light. So I know when I use mine in the bedroom, I've got the Love Warmer that was out a few years ago because I like to not have any light in the bedroom. So it's perfect for me. I'm getting my fragrance through the night, but no light. So this is great for in bedrooms, and it's just got a little on-off switch at the back, and I'm thinking that lights up probably. Yeah, I bet that lights up so you know whether it's on or off. I mean, you should know if it's on or off because your wax will be melting. But there we go. So you get a warmer in the Whiff box. How amazing is that, a warmer? And that warmer, let me look. I'm going to double check the price because I think I know it, but I don't want to say it and then be wrong. So let me have a look. It is £30, that warmer. £30. So you're getting a £30 warmer in the Whiff box. Now the Whiff box is a £42. Okay, £42 of absolute awesomeness. The only way you can get a discount on a Whiff box is by having it on Scentsy Club. And if you do £72 on Scentsy Club, then you get it half price, which is what I got. So this for me was only, what did I say now? So it was only £21. Oh my word. How amazing is that? So I've got the warmer. Let's show you what else is in the box because there's still more to go. We have got Forever Fall. Forever Fall. Okay, so this is one of our brand new bars. This is pumpkin and cinnamon with some brown sugar. How nice. So if you quite like the sort of autumnal fragrances, this is going to absolutely rock your boat. So that is Forever Fall. It's gone a little bit blurry. There you go. That's better. We have got White Pumpkin and Driftwood. Nice. Now this is actually part of the autumn collection. So this is one of our new autumn collection waxes. This is pumpkin and driftwood burnished with white cardamom and warm solar amber. Sorry, I am reading the descriptions for you. So that is, as I say, white pumpkin and driftwood. How yummy do these sound? Now we have got a scent circle, and that's in Snuggle Up. I love Snuggle Up. This is Snuggle Up is a fragrance I often have in the bedroom. Okay, so this is cashmere woods curled up with angel lavender and soothing sage. How beautiful does that sound? And I promise you, it is an absolutely gorgeous fragrance, and it is for me, it's a bedroom fragrance. So there we go, Snuggle Up. Kind of sounds like a bedroom fragrance anyway, doesn't it, when I say that? And then we have Fluffy Fleece in a scent pack. How lush is that? Now, Fluffy Fleece, again, this is a huge favourite of mine. I have got it in the wax, I've got it in a flower, and I've just got it in the brand new, I've got it next to me, Scentsy Fresh. That's not in the Whiff box, but Scentsy Fresh, which I love. Now, Fluffy Fleece is blackcurrant, cozy musk, and a blanket of heliotrope. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Is that right? Heliotrope? Something like that. But that's the scent pack. So these, they were designed to go in our buddies, but they're a bit like the old-fashioned lavender bags. I used to make those with my nanny. And you literally just put this beautiful fragrance bag. You can put it in with your, you can put it in your knicker drawer, hang it in your wardrobe, anything like that, and you will have fragrance for months. Every time you open the drawer, it smells flipping incredible. And that is in Fluffy Fleece. Now, also, as an added extra, we have pumpkin cashmere. Now, you will not have smelt this yet because this is next month's scent of the month. So this is October's scent of the month. So it says, surround yourself with the captivating combination of warm cinnamon, bountiful pumpkin, and cozy cashmere woods. I mean, whoops, I'm going to juggle it first and then I'm going to smell it. Now, I'm not overly fond of pumpkin fragrances, I have to be honest. So we will see what I think of this. I'm not overly fond of cinnamon, although this month's scent of the month, which is, what is it? Cinnamon roll, warm cinnamon roll. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's actually got cinnamon and it's a bakery one. And I really like it because it's not too in your face cinnamon. So let's see how I feel about next month's scent of the month. Oh, okay. It's probably not one I would particularly go out and buy personally, but actually it's not bad. Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't mind that. So as I say, that's cinnamon, pumpkin and cozy cashmere. Perhaps it's the cashmere in it. Yeah, I'm going to give it a warm, and I will let you know what I think when I've actually warmed it, okay? Because that's where the proof is in the pudding, literally. So let's have another quick look at what we've got in this month's Whiff box. We have got all for £42, remember? So there must be, I can't add it up. We've got our £30 warmer, which is the Taupe Mod Warmer. Absolutely gorgeous. It's only little, but as I say, perfect for small spaces. It's quite robust. Okay, so it's not going to break easily or anything like that. So you could pop it in a bedroom, in a hallway. Well, you can pop it anywhere you like. Anywhere you like. But it won't light up, this one. So you've got that little warmer. Let's put that back in there. You have got the Fluffy Please scent pack. Awesome. You have got Snuggle Up in a Scent Circle. You have got White Pumpkin and Driftwood. You have got Forever Fall. So you've got 2 bars of wax. So that's going to keep you going with your new warmer. And you also get your sneak peek on your next month's scent of the month. And a catalogue to look through while you're smelling your beautiful fragrances. All that in this month's Whiff box. I'm going to try and... I was trying to get it to... No, the warmer fell over. I was going to try and show you it properly, but the warmer slipped out. Oh, my goodness. No, I'm doing it right. There we go. There it is. That is this month's Whiff box. If you know somebody who's never tried Scentsy before... What an amazing startup box this would be. Obviously, this is an amazing box for anybody. But if there's somebody who's never had Scentsy, send them in this direction, because it's literally a bit of everything in there for them to try. Wax, warmer, scent circle, scent pack. What's not to love? How amazing. If you would like to get your hands on one of these boxes, pop me a message, or I will put the link in the comments as well, so that you can find the Whiff box on our website, which is www.elegantessences.scentsy.co.uk. I'm surprised I remembered that off the top of my head. Well, I know what our website is, but saying it is a different matter. Okay, my loves, I'm going to get off because I am going to go and do some more singing very shortly. Take care. I hope you've enjoyed finding out about this month's Whiff box. I am very excited about it all. Take care. Bye.